Hey there, it's been a long time since I did a video, and this isn't really super informational, just more of a catch-up, I guess. So welcome to the J Regan channel. Anyway, here we are. It's fall time, as you can see by the trees and the leaves on the ground, around November. So here is the car. Just took it on a pretty long ride, probably about 10 miles or so. Let's see, what's new? I guess the next thing I'm really going to start concentrating on is the body work. So doing some of these little spots as soon as I figure out how to take off this trim pieces without ruining things. Did I show you the poverty caps and trim rings? I'll put a link where I got these trim rings, 13-inch. They look pretty nice, I think. Got to clean up the wheels. Let's see. I did a little bit here. This was sort of rusted, so I sanded this down and primed it gray. Looks a little better. The roof is all completed. Let's see, what else have I been working on? I've been working on the seats, trying to patch in some things here. Unfortunately, I got them dirty already. But so here I'm kind of stitching these in by hand, just adding like little panels, you know, until I can get these covered. What else? I went around and put coating around all the weld marks. So keep that airtight. What else? Let's see. Changed the oil finally. I cleaned up some of the rust around the firewall and on the skirting here. So this is what that looks like now. Not what I'm going to keep it from this point on. It'll protect things. And then I will paint this when the car gets painted. This will be painted the body color. So yeah, it's been running pretty well. I got a few more projects that I'll try to do over the winter, but I'm going to try to continue to drive this just because I think it's better than letting it sit. Of course I won't drive it on the bad days, but put a little bit of primer there. So that's kind of where we stand. So just want to again make a quick video, and that's it. All right, we'll see. Look at this big steering wheel. Ah, there we go. for a nice ride in that Dart. And who joined me? My old buddy Wilson. Hey Wilson, did you enjoy your ride? Huh? Come on out, old buddy.